Once more. Okay, thank you so much. You can now take your seat. So, as we start the program, I would like to call Daddy Tom to give us a very short message. Okay, Daddy Tom, just a simple message.
Daddy Tom. Napaka-islang naman.
Did you want that birthday?
First of all, I want to thank dahil pinagsama-sama tayo ngayon sa araw ng ating anak. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Enjoy.
Huwag ka umiyak.
You don't have the hands. Let's give a round of applause to Daddy Tom. And now, we would like also to hear a very long message to the mother, Mommy April. Of course, we have to say something about this person, about your baby. How do you raise your baby here? Okay? Again, welcome, Mommy April.
Una po sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng dumalo sa simpleng selebrasyon para sa birthday ng anak ko.
Are you ready to
At
Umiiyak na siya.
ang wish ko lang sa baby ko ay good health at may dapat sa ama.
Na-video ko.
Ano ko?
So, Mommy, how does it feel to be a mother of your first baby? How does it feel? How does it feel to have a new baby, your first daughter?
For my first daughter.
Yeah. Tell us something about her. How you raise, despite of your busy work, and how you be able to manage being a parent of baby and baby.
It's hard for the first, but
Uy, patagalugin mo na. Uy.
Okay, Tagalog na lang. Tagalog na lang. Welcome to our newcomers visitor. We welcome you. Continue, Mami. Sige, Tagalog. No problem.
Tagalog na lang, bes.
So, yeah. Bilang isang mami, of course, di ba, marami kang hirap at kaganasan sa pagpapalagay kay Amira. So, paano mo siya ngayon i-share sa amin
May bisita pa tayong pusa.
yung effort na yun, yung pakitlaga mo sa kanya, despite of your busy days, your busy work.
napakahirap po talaga sa umpisa.
Iiyak na siya.
Susubukin ko po talaga. Naulit-ulit, pero nandun po yung katatagan bilang isang magulang na hindi ko pwedeng sumuko sa anak ko. Na lahat na kayanin ko kasi dapat mas strong pa. Kasi pag humina yung
Iiyak na tuloy.
pakiramdam mo, mas lalo siyang maapektuhan. Kaya sa lahat ng dinanas ng anak ko, simula pagkapanganak ay napaka-strong niya. Kaya ano ba naman ako para hindi manghihirap at maging malakas. Nakabilang
Tapos yung tatay busy makipag-usap sa telepono.
Talaga naman, no?
Umiiyak na si Tong yung tatay yung busy sa
Ako
pakikipag.
rin medyo na carried away. So, I'm going to speak in English so our visitors can hear.
Ita-translate niya. I-translate mo daw, Beng.
So, aside from that, mommy, what else?
Ay, pinaiyak pa nung pinaiyak.
it's your moment now to share everything, being a mother. How about Daddy John? Daddy John.
Busy si daddy ko.
Okay, so thank you so much, Mommy. So talaga naman, being a mother, being a parent is not easy. It takes time, right? We have to have a huge endeavor for our baby. Because we all know we are here to work. Having a baby is not easy for us. So why you are laughing, listen to me. Okay, so the next part of the program is that can I ask somebody to please come forward just to give us a short message since baby Amira, you can be able to understand mommy and daddy will about to take care of your message to Amira. Can I have Dr. Rosine to please just give us a message for this birthday?
Okay, welcome everyone. I hope God bless her and we can attend her 80 and 90 birthday. No, that's enough.
Okay, take it up. Another from this gents there. Can I ask one of you to please come forward just to share with us any message from you? Any message, wish.
Anak ko, kasama mo sa picture. Hindi ka ka mabigyan.
Thank you so much. And now, sa kanyang taga-family, Katit family. Sino ba mga Katit family? Wala sila mga Katit. Okay, from family to Hannah. Message to Amiro.
A message ko kaya nila, remember, number one talaga is good health. And ano message ko? Sa parents naman is, ipagpatuloy na ang pagiging proud parents kay Manila. And yun lang, ipagpatuloy nyo ang pagmamahal kayo.
Salamat po, Katen. So, isa pa, from this side, family one, Tita Brand. Tita Brand, can we hear from you? Tita Brand, any message?